You know all the community announcements that you can find only on the ZNS TV network? All the happy birthday and anniversary wishes? Business ads, congratulations, funeral announcements, and memorials for departed loved ones. Well, now you can view them all on Channel 230 on cable, uninterrupted. All day, every day. That's right, 24/7, 365. So tune in to Channel 230 and never miss an announcement.
Did you get the speed bump? All BTC subscribers with a bundled fiber connection receive the speed increase, totally free and totally automatic. It's just another way of ensuring that we are delivering best value to our customers, keeping them on the leading edge of everything awesome. Link up with BTC to get your speed bump today. Visit any BTC store or btcbahamas.com to learn more.
One to 4.5, we do it our way, our way, our way. 1540, we do it our way, highway. We don't care what you say, it don't matter no way. ZNS, we do it our way, our way, our way. Do it your way with 104.5 FM, 1540 AM and D-Max.